Okay, so this is probably going to be the final video. It's the fourth one to the series of how to make a newspaper on Adobe Photoshop. So we've talked about how the layer system works, how to use Photoshop to manipulate the text and the images, which was part 1, how the layering works and everything. Part 2 went through adding the text, making changes, adding in the images and the layer styles and organizing everything. Part 3 was just talking about making tiny little changes and how to make it look a little bit more neater. And now we're on the fourth one, which is how to save it. So you've got one document, okay? This is just the document. And you basically need to save each individual picture, each individual page as a separate document. So what you do, you click the first page, okay, and you click File, and you click Save for Web here. Or you could go Export. Yeah, click Save for Web. And you want to choose PNG 24. It's going to be kind of like the highest resolution. So if it's uploaded online or printed out, you're going to get it in a really nice high resolution. The only thing to bear in mind is the file size is going to be quite high, so 2.7 megabytes here. Just click Save, and I just call it page 1. Let's page article, final copy. This is page 1. And do the same. So unview it, view the second page, File, Save for Web, PNG 24, and then click Save. It's going to take a while to load just because there's a lot of pictures in there, a lot of text, and the file size is quite high. So it's going to be page 2. And then also page 3, okay? And then you would do the same if you have a fourth page as well, which we don't. Page 3. Okay, so now we've saved it. If you go into your documents where you've saved it, you've got 3 files now. Okay, and they're going to be in PNG 24 file property, which is your file, which is the file which you saved as PNG. That's the file type. That's great. So you can just open it up with any image viewer, like Photos on this one. What's the Windows one? Windows Imaging Viewer or something. So yeah, all of the whole newspaper exists as images now, as pictures. What this means is you can't change the text anymore, you can't change the picture, you can't change anything now. This is the final copy. If you want to change that, you've got to create a PSD, okay? PSD copy. So click File, click Save As, and click it as the format as Photoshop. Now what you do is in your file name put editable, okay? And this is going to tell you that you can re-edit this. So if you click Save, click OK. If I close Photoshop, okay, so it's being saved. It's being saved right now, so I need to wait. Okay, so now it's saved. I've created this one here called editable. This editable has got this logo here. You can see a PS there. Stands for Photoshop, and the file type is called Photoshop. That's huge file size. If you look at the final copy, these guys are file type or PNG. Right, so this is basically a picture which you cannot change because it's an image. This one, if I right click properties, it's got file type PSD. Okay, so that one you can open it with Adobe Photoshop, and you can open it with Adobe Photoshop by opening up Photoshop. Okay, click File, Open, and then select the editable one. And when you do this, you can see all your layers and everything comes in, so you can edit it again. Okay, so that's how you edit. That's how you open up to edit anything. And this is the final one. So I'm going to teach you, right, how can I put this into one document? Let's say you want to upload this online. You might want it to be in one document. You're going to need a program called Adobe Acrobat. So using the Adobe suite for a lot of stuff, a lot of the process in this video. Don't know if that makes sense. But yeah, open up the Adobe Acrobat. Okay, so now that you've opened up your Adobe Acrobat, go on File, Create, and click on Combine Files into a single PDF. Okay, now you're going to add the files, add them in the order that you want. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3. That's why it's very important that when you saved it, you saved them with like page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, so this is, now that we've completed it, this is what it's going to look. So, you know, when you open it, it's going to look like this. It looks quite nice, actually. That's page 1, this is page 2, and this is page 3. Yeah, so it looks quite nice. File, I'm going to save as final copy, and final copy, I'm going to call this finished. Okay, by Dillon. Okay, so this is done. Nope. I reopen up, here we go, open up the PDF, opening Microsoft Edge, and there you go. There you go, page 1 is there, second page is here, page 2 is there. So there's your PDF, and it's done. You can just send this off to you can send this file, and that's going to contain all your newspaper pages in order, and it's going to view it in the full resolution as well, so nothing gets compressed. So hopefully you found these videos helpful. Don't forget to leave a comment, rate, and subscribe. If you got stuck, just leave a comment, I'll reply. And yeah, that's it. So see you in the next video.